At ICE, we've known for many years that cooking and creativity go together, but we would have never imagined that we'd be working with IBM on a cognitive cooking project.
What we've got is the Watson system, which is helping these chefs come up with these incredible ingredients. Lots of computational resources are necessary to do that. And then after the chefs give it the parameters that they want, it goes and tests literally quintillions of possible ingredient combinations, scores them on various criteria, and attempts to help the chefs come up with something that's never been seen before.
When we initially partnered with IBM, the first step was to give them access to our recipes, our chefs, our staff, our ingredients, our kitchens, and the access we actually granted them was unprecedented in ICE's 40 years.
The human collaboration was really essential from the very beginning. The first thing we did was interview the chefs to understand their thought process when they created a new recipe. As soon as we had a prototype, we showed it to them so that they could give us their feedback, so we could see how they interacted with the system, what they expected the system to provide, what was missing, and also the quality of the recipe ideas that Chef Watson came up with.
Working with the Watson technology and seeing what the chefs can do, taking all of the ingredients out there and processing it in a way where they can actually take the outputs coming out of the system, and it's giving them almost a springboard to creativity.
Often as chefs, I think we get stuck in sort of our own form of writer's block, where we don't know where to go with an ingredient, or we keep doing the same dishes in different versions over and over. Working with Watson gives you a brand new place to start from.
Already working with the Watson system has certainly changed my style of cooking in terms of being way more receptive to interesting flavor combinations.
It was able to make connections that I think a human chef either might have discounted or just not thought of. And what that resulted in was a level of creativity that I absolutely didn't expect.
So with all the recipes that we've developed through the last few years, and with all the creativity and the innovation that's gone into this, the natural next thing was to develop a cookbook. This book is different because we're pushing the boundaries of creativity and innovation in the culinary arts. We're taking pleasantness, we're taking pairings, we're taking chemical compounds, we're taking the creativity of chefs and photographers and designers, and we're bringing it all together to create something that really has never been seen before.
I think it was really exciting to work with the chefs on all those new recipes, see the crazy ideas Chef Watson and the chefs came up with together. We have some outstanding recipes in that cookbook.
We've made so many beautiful dishes that are so delicious that we've had the chance to enjoy and experience here and share with our staff at ICE. And now, finally, we get to share these with the world.